Yeah.
My voice. Okay. So, what I'm going to this program, like what we are going to discuss today, it's completely like a introduction about the agenda. What we are going to discuss in this real-time program. I'm going to discuss it over here. So, most of the people whoever joined the session, they were already continuing in the regular Azure data engineering training. So, as I told in the demo session, if you guys remember the last when we were connecting to the demo session, we are operating always two kind of programs, the program 1 and program 2. So the program 1 is completely focusing on about like I want to make more familiar with the regular training of the Azure data engineering, regular training of the Azure data engineering, Azure data engineering. So this is we are conducting nearly 50 to 60 hours duration of the course and covering some topics with some use cases. Okay, but as per my experience from last 8 9 years in this training industry, with the only completion of the regular training, so many people were reached out me, sir, we have learned a course in a institution, but we are not able to crack the interview, and we don't know how to prepare a resume, and we are not able to perform uh, in the live interview. For few questions we are not able to answer, and we don't know, we are not unable to explain the project, and we don't know what kind of projects I need to keep in my resume, and they were asking some scenario based questions. I'm unable to answer those questions, and also they were asking something in the real time, few questions, but I'm not able to answer those questions. So these kind of things they were discussing with me. So yes, generally 90 percentage of the institutions, uh, they were not able to include all these things in a regular training. So the regular training is completely focusing only on the technical delivery of the things. They are trying to discuss completely from day one onwards only the technical stuff only. Like there are few topics available inside as a data engineer, what things you need to do, a scenario based. But where we are going to fill that gap, like the student has a confusion still when coming out from the this course, because 99% of the students, they are going to keep 4 to 5 years or 2 years or 3 years 4 years of experience they are going to keep on this when they are joining to this project. I mean, when they are going to apply for the project jobs, definitely they are going to apply 2 to 5 years of experience. 2 to 5 years of experience they are going to apply it over here. So definitely when they are going to apply like a experienced person, they need many things to be confident. Am I right? So to make the people to be confident on the course what they have learned, and they should not seek any others help while they are going to search for the job. So that is the reason I'm going to make, I have designed a program with very very less price. This is a real time program. This is a real time program. If you see any other institutions, definitely for only this program they are going to charge 30,000, 35,000 as well. So I have designed this program. See, even this is 50 hours, 60 hours duration course. How this is important? This is also very, very important comparing to this one. In the program one, more from my side I will teach. You guys, 99% is always sitting in the ideal position, and you are always listening. It's a one direction. So the one direction is from tutor to student. This is the direction mostly we are going to deliver. But in this program too, mostly student to tutor I'm going to focusing. Okay, it's more interaction. See, in every training there is some little bit of gap between the trainer and the student, because might be student may not be able to ask the questions, or like a student may not be in a focus at the time of training, but later he will realize at the ending of the training. But so to fill that gap, to make more interactive with the tutor, I'm designing this program too. So this program too is nothing to teach from the tutor side. It's a kind of a discussion. It's a casual discussion. Any kind of things you can able to discuss with him. So here, like we are going to keep mostly the tutor is like 15 plus years of experience guy. We are going to industry guys. We are going to bring 15 plus years of experience people. We are going to include for this program too, and he is working on the projects on this Azure data engineering. Okay, so very expertise people we are going to assign on this one. Okay, so what is our primary focus of this real-time program what we are going to conduct? So this program we are going to conduct 30 hours, but it will goes beyond sometimes 40 hours also. Okay, but our time boundary we are going to keep it as a 30 hours, but it can goes to the 40 hours also. It depends on the discussion how it is going on. So what is our focus? What is the vision and agenda of this program? This program is for the people who are completing, who are ongoing of Azure data engineering training. Those people need some special focus, special care about the training. Okay, so the main vision of this program is a student has to crack the interview without anyone help after completion of the course. This is the first agenda. The second agenda is a student has to work on the real projects after getting the job without any work support. This is the second agenda what we are keeping. Okay, so to achieve this agenda, what we are going to do? So we are going to divide this program. This program is completely only on the weekends program. Weekends, because weekdays anyhow we are conducting the regular sessions, right? So we are going to focus this only on the weekends. Saturday 2 hours, and Sunday 2 hours we are going to conduct this program. Okay, Saturday 2 hours and Sunday 2 hours we are going to conduct this program. So in this Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, what exactly we are going to cover over here? So this program we are dividing into four parts. The part one is we are going to perform Agile methodology. So what is Agile methodology? So we are going to create some sprints. That sprint contains some tasks. So almost we have 175 tasks currently, and it can be increased to 200 plus tasks also. Okay, based on the scenarios. So we are going to give that sprint task sheet for everyone. You have to start working on this sprint wise task, which we are giving the sheet for you. So this you have to work, because whatever the training we have completed, according to that training you should have start working on these tasks. See, these are all the sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4. So we covered almost 175 scenario based tasks we created over here. Okay, so you have to start working on the sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3. And if you have any doubts on these tasks whatever we have provided, you have to discuss with our in the Saturday, the first 1 hour. What you need to do is we are going to have a discussion with the sprint whatever the questions you are. For example, you are not able to perform a specific task in this sprint 1 or sprint 2 or sprint 3. So for example, creating a variable to store your age. So this task you have confusion, you are not able to do, but you should try before coming to this discussion. So then our team will help you in the first 1 hour of the session, question and answers on the tasks. Okay, the first 1 hour we are going to discuss about the sprint tasks, 1 hour question and answer. Okay, the second 1 hour in the second 1 hour, what we are going to discuss it over here is, here we are going to focus on mostly like a end to end some project flow we are going to start it over here. Okay, so the second 1 hour, this is second 1 hour, we are going to focus on the
all the way good.
end-to-end project over here. On the Sunday, we are going to discussing about the first 1 hour in real time interview. In interview, what kind of questions they can ask and how you need to give the answer. Real time interview question and answers. For example, sometimes in interview, they will ask some scenario based tasks. So those scenario based tasks, how to answer those things we are going to discuss. Because let's for example, uh, you don't know like those things. It's completely only the people who worked in the real projects. Those people only can able to answer that questions. So those kind of questions discussions we are going to do it over here. Some people don't know how to explain the project. Some people don't know how to tell the introduction about yourself in your project. Okay. Then after, in the second 1 hour, what we are going to discuss is, and the another 1 hour in Sunday, what we can do is we are going to discussing about the mock interviews. Mock interviews means we are going to ask the people about the discussion so far what happened. We are just trying to cross check. For example, I want to tell everyone to be tell about your what is your tell me about yourself, and the second thing is explain me about your project. These things we will discuss. And also sometimes we are going to discussing about resume preparations. Okay, resume preparations, how to prepare a resume for you, and how to make it like whatever the, for example, you have some career gap and you are working from last 10 years on a different technology, but you need to prepare your resume. And when you are preparing the resume, so you should have, when you are preparing your resume, like you need to keep 3 to 4 projects, right? So whatever the 3 to 4 projects we are going to keep it. Okay, whatever the 3 to 4 projects we are keeping over here, 3 to 4 projects, how to put what kind of clients, what project descriptions. This is going to be different for everyone. Okay, so this is how we are going to make 30 hours duration of the program. This this will cover everything what you have any confusions on the course. And when you are going to attempt the interview, uh, without having any confusion, you can uh, attend the interviews. Might be 3 interviews or 4 interviews, definitely you will be a success. Okay, this is our plan for this real time program. Okay, so this program is going to be led by Mr. Gaurav. He has a nearly 15 years of experience. He has, and he got. I will tell you the success rate of him. He got 13 offers at a time for Azure data engineering. He got 13 offers at a time in Azure data engineering. 13 offer letters from the different companies at a time. This is his track record, and he is going to leading off this program. You can feel free. You can discuss with him any kind of open questions and anything, even if it is a small thing also. But my expectation from your end is you spend more time on this one before coming to this session. Work out on the tasks what we are going to give, and if you're not able to do, then we can discuss in real time use cases. Any open questions you can able to discuss with him over here. Okay, so this program, whatever the real time program what we are conducting, the second program, the eligibility for this program is at least you are currently pursuing of this Azure data engineering training, or if you have already completed the Azure data engineering training, so you are eligible for this program. This is only on the weekends we are going to conduct. With this program only, most of our students are self interview cracking they are doing, and they are working on the real time projects. If you're just learning only course, it may not help you. That's what like the main difference between other institutions and ours is course can be done anywhere. That's not a problem. Even some people can get it from YouTube, some people get it from outside as well. But the main agenda of this training to fulfill your requirement is whenever everyone is covering these kind of things, definitely you will get 99% of the confidence on the course. Without these things, if you're just learning only course, there is no use of that one. So my humble request for every student is, whoever is pursuing of your Azure data engineering training, please enroll this program. If you're not enrolling for this program, you will be only a 60 percentage or 50 percentage of knowledge you have. Yes, of course, technically you will gain the knowledge, but without a proper preparation on that one, you are not able to crack the interviews. The people are wasting their time 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, even 1 year also, by attending the interviews. The reason because they don't know. For example, today you have attended one interview and they were asking one kind of scenario based question, but you are not able to answer. Then again, one atom is missing. So don't waste your atoms. Be prepared, then only you can attend the interviews over here. And you need expert support always, like whenever you are attending the interviews as well. Okay, so that's what this program, the real time program what we are conducting, got very success rate over here. We got very success rate on this program. So we are going to create one group. We are going to create one group for all of you when we are going to start this program. Okay, and whoever is already enrolled and those people, we will create one RTP group in our mobile app, in our LMS portal. So that's an open forum, and our expert also will be there in that group to clarify your questions when you are practicing, and you guys can able to be added into a group today. Okay, so we'll make a communication through that group. So whoever already enrolled for this program 1 and program 2 combination, and only for the people program 2 who are going to attend, if they have already completed the program 1 training, we are going to create one group for all of you. Okay, we are going to create one group for all of you. In that group, definitely our mentors will be there, and the session timings when we are going to start, mostly we are going to plan this program on the evenings of the weekends, because there is one program is already going on in the morning. Anyhow, so we will discuss about the timings based on the enrollments who are going to enroll already, and our team will reach out to you according to that we plan. But this program is mostly on the evening times. Okay, so this is all about that real time program what we are going to conduct in this weekend. So now the open questions, you guys can have. It's not one to one. It's going to be group only. Okay, this is not a one to one sessions. But in that group,
Hi Ram.
you can. It's completely from first minute onwards. It's a kind of a discussion only. Okay, you can openly ask and you can discuss. Many people can ask their questions, and he is going to be answered to your questions. And whatever he wants to teach in the real time kind of thing, he is going to completely teaching over there. If you are not joining this program, if you are not completing this program, still you have a confusion, something you are missing. Okay, so that will waste lot of your time. So be a part of this program, the 30 hours duration program, the real time program. Okay, so whoever is already enrolled, our team will create a group today. So once you will be added to that group, we will communicate in that group the timings and everything we are going to discuss. Mostly this program is for evening for this batch. When we are starting a next batch, it's going to be morning batch, but it will take some time. Our team will help you always to like making a communication when we are going to start morning batches. If you have any questions, just reach out 7997 457 228. For any questions and queries about this program, just reach out this number 7997 457 228. Okay.